Yeah. Hey, chief. Money. Apha izibuleli into ama-prize akhona nezinto zakhona.
Thina sisebenza nalento thina siyathunga uhambe ezansi lapho.
Indaba ngene ebusuku pho, indaba nisebenza ebusuku.
Bafuna siqaphele lo nesesiyahamba.
Anazi ukuthi bekufika MK leBhades la izokhuluma indaba zokuthi ama-foreign afuna ngangene emsebenzini bekhona abantu base-South Africa. Anikwazi lokho.
Sikuzwile.
Nikuzwile? But still niyasebenza. Still niyasebenza khona kunjani? Puman. Yeah, Puman. Where's the boss? Where's the boss? Where's him? Yeah, Puman. Zikhona impahla lapha enama-prize.
Ile kuphela ama-prize bafaka lapha ezansi.
Ezansi. Sam, aphumeni. Ingama yenkampani.
Thina ibiza ukuthi uGora company kodwa.
Gora. Okay, phuma.
Asiyotshintsa.
Anjani?
Siyotshintsa.
Niyothinga.
Siyotshintsa impahla.
Thathani impahla ningashintshi, thathani impahla kodwa zongishaya niphumile. Ukulandela soza namaphoyisa la nibuye niyokuniza la. Ukulandela soza namaphoyisa la. Baba abanye bebekhona nini? Bangakini abasebenza la?
Thina nisibonile lana.
Puman. Guys, Puman. Iposi la yini? Iko. Ubay kamalani? Ubani? Agora. Iposi la. Okay, go guys. You think we are playing? We are marching outside here. You see us as fools. Abakwazi.
Lokho kokubhalwe la. Ubhalwe uyena unomzana. Mina sondela confirm ukuthi ngempela lento ebhalwe la uyayazi.
Yeah, I just want to confirm everything that is. Njani? Amandla. Okay, so whatever Mr. General said in our statement, I agree with, and we are cooperating with the MK Labour Desk to provide employment in our place. As he said, it will be it will be phased in over a period of time, and we will coordinate with them about how many people we're taking in. And we hope that we can try and help some. We cannot help everybody, but we'll try and help as much as we can.